So yan po ay nasilbi na.
Yes, it has been served in his office and his residence.
Sir, nakalagay kasi doon na kung hindi siya magpapakita, meron provision doon na indirect contempt?
Yes, direct contempt.
Okay. Pero si Senator Bato po isa Senado nga po hindi nagpapakita eh. Ano pa kaya sa CID?
Well, sa Senado naman is an obligation but not compulsory. Pwede naman sila mag-leave, pwede di pumasok. Di ba na discretion na yun? But this is a direct subpoena sa kanya.
Sa publiko pong nagtatanong, ano po bang gusto ninyong ma-achieve? Sorry?
Okay lang, okay lang. First step natin to eh. Yung ini-investigate kasi ang EJK, walang maglabas ng mga data tungkol sa mga nangyari. For example, ang Bulacan, in-erase lahat ng records. In-erase lahat yan. Metro Manila, marami mga substation, yung mga cause of death, in-erase nila. Diba? So this is the first step in determining kung bakit gano'n na nangyari nung panahon na yun.
Again, wala pong kinalaman sa ICC. Ito.
Walang kinalaman sa ICC. Okay, but let me clarify. Okay? Walang kinalaman sa ICC. Pero kung dumating ang ICC warrant, then we will act on it. Okay, but this has nothing to do with the ICC warrant.
At as we speak, wala pong secret or public warrant. Kasi may nagsasabi na iba yun, iba ito.
Again, kung dumating, we will enforce. But as far as we are concerned, wala pa kaming nahigit ng clear copy and official copy of the warrant. So for me, it does not stand as official hanggang makuha namin.